In this video, I'll show you how to register an XM account first. Scroll down to the video description. Click the link I've put in the description to access. This is the registration page where you'll receive a 50% bonus up to $500. First, select your country, then enter your email and password here, okay? Now I'll enter an email and password for you. The password should have uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and a special symbol. For example, like account with symbols. There's also a referral code. Click here and enter XB6GC in all caps. OK, then tick this box. Now click register and OK. You've successfully registered. Next, check your email, and after you've opened it and verified your account, go to Google Play or App Store and search for XM. This is the XM app with over 10 million downloads. Click Install, wait for it to download, and open it. Enter the password you just registered. OK, it's downloaded. Now click Open. OK, this is the login interface. After opening the XM app, enter your email and password that you just created. Click Login to access the XM app. I've entered the email and password. Now I'll click Login. After that, you'll receive an email. XM will send a code. Check your email and enter it here. OK, now you've successfully created and logged into your XM account. After logging in, you need to verify your account. Click on Verify Profile. You'll verify your phone number, then verify your address and upload your ID documents. Click Continue. After you've verified your account, you'll see a recharge option at the top. Click here to add funds. You need an account to deposit money and use it. Follow the instructions from XM Exchange to verify your account successfully.